Happy holidays, everyone. Well, this is it for 2018, so we're going out with a bang. Check it out. Welcome to Quick Tips. I'm still the gas that just won't pass, but we're about to pass into 2019. We've had an amazing year all the way around, and next year there's even more to come. Our campus is in for a major overhaul. We're in the middle of constructing a massive new customer service center right here at our Southern California headquarters, and an additional shipping and receiving center is coming shortly after that. I don't even have permission to talk about what's coming after that, but it's going to be great. For now, here's a fun look at a few minor mishaps we had along the way. Some people call them bloopers. I call them precious little candy canes of truth. Roll tape! Who's your good little talent boy? I'm your good little talent boy. For our international friends, gosh darn! More Satan. Oh. I never really knew that she could dance like this. Welcome to Quick Tips. Chicago. It flows through the oil. Through it flows the mother hens. Sorry. I think a spider bit me on the butt. Some tricks to help you and your guy know. This morning in the car. I put my pants on the floor sometimes, and sometimes spiders. I'm gonna reveal you now. Where'd you go? I'm doing my Shakira. Get those worms out of your butt, Max. We should do a thumbnail shot. That was interesting. Be sure to subscribe because we are hitting the ground running in 2019 and we don't want you to miss a thing. Until then, happy holidays everyone, happy new year, and thanks for watching.